Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a carousel message on WhatsApp using AiSensy and Pabbly Connect automation. So in AiSensy, you can basically send a carousel message. You can add multiple images and text in a same WhatsApp message. And using Pabbly Connect, you can automate the process of sending these messages as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that how you can do this. So as you can see, I have created this workflow inside Pabbly Connect. In this workflow, in the triggers tab, I have selected webhook by Pabbly, and using the webhook URL, let's say I'm getting some basic response from some other application. So I'm getting the name of the person and the mobile number. You can basically set up this automation for any trigger application of your choice. Now to get started with sending the carousel message using AiSensy on WhatsApp, we are going to basically create a template in AiSensy. For that, let me take you to the AiSensy account. After coming to AiSensy, from the left sidebar, we'll go to Manage, and under Template Messages, here you can see all the template messages which you have created can be seen over here. By clicking on this new button, you can start creating a template of your choice. Now, I've already created a template message. Let me show that to you. So this is the kind of WhatsApp message, carousel message I want to send to my users from AiSensy. After hello, I want to mention the name of the person to whom we are sending the message. Then after that, we have the WhatsApp message over here. And then here you can see we have some carousel post over here. So we have the image and some text or caption related to the same image and a button as well. Then you can see we have the second image over here and a different text, and we have a third image and a different text as well. So inside AiSensy, to create this kind of WhatsApp message template, just click on this new button over here, select the template category as per your choice, select the language. So let's say I'll select the language as English over here, give this template a name as well. Then after that, in template type from this drop down, select the template type as carousel. After selecting the template type, here we have to enter the WhatsApp message which we want to send. And in carousel media, here you can see in this drop down, we have two options. Either we can send some images or some videos. So whatever type of media you want to send in the carousel format on WhatsApp, you can select it. Let's say I want to send the images. Then it is asking us to add the card body. So you can see we have one card over here. If you want to add multiple cards, you can just click on this add card button, and in this way the multiple cards can be added. And whatever text you want to place below the image over here, here you can enter in card body. For example, let's say if you want to enter the text as text 1. So here you can see this is a text of the first card. Then here let's select the card 2, and here you can enter any other text as well. So in this way, what you can do, you can basically create a carousel template inside AiSensy over here. If you want a step-by-step guide that how you can create this kind of template as well, you can ask us in the comment box below, and we'll create a dedicated video on that too. But for now, in this video, I'm going to just refer to the existing template which I have created over here. The name of this template is Product Carousel over here. So let me show the template to you. And this is the template message, product_carousel_1. Now to send a WhatsApp message using this template from Pabbly Connect, automatically send these messages using Pabbly Connect and AiSensy integration, what we have to do, we have to create a campaign first in AiSensy. So from the left sidebar, I'll just go to campaigns over here. And here you can see I've already created a campaign as well. The name of the campaign is Product Images. In this campaign, you'll notice that we have selected the exact same template message over here. And in this message, we will be adding some images over here in these cards. And we are going to send all of these images as a carousel message on WhatsApp. Now, after creating the template and creating the campaign, what we have to do, we have to basically connect our AiSensy account inside our Pabbly Connect automation workflow. For that, we'll just come to Pabbly Connect, we'll scroll down and come to this Actions tab. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for AiSensy, WhatsApp by AiSensy. Now after that, in action event from the drop down, this time we have to select the action event as Send Carousel Message. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our AiSensy account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to basically enter the API key of our AiSensy account. For that, we'll just go to AiSensy, from the left sidebar, go to Manage, and go to API key. And here is the API key of our AiSensy account. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see our AiSensy account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Now, after making this connection, here it is asking us for the campaign body. So we have to basically enter the JSON body of the message campaign which we have created in AiSensy. Now you must be thinking, what is this JSON body, how you can get this JSON body and use it to automatically send carousel message on WhatsApp using AiSensy and Pabbly Connect. So let me show you the step-by-step process. So first, we have to go to our AiSensy account and we have to go to the campaign which we have created. So this is the campaign. The campaign name is product images, and in this campaign you can see this is the template which we have created with carousel post, carousel images. Now after opening the campaign, here on the top right corner you can see this option of test campaign. Just click on it, and as you click on test campaign, here you can see this is the JSON body which is shown for this campaign. So this is the JSON body of the message which we are trying to send. Now what we have to do, we have to copy this complete JSON body from here, from the test campaign section of AiSensy, and after copying this JSON body, we have to paste this exact same JSON body in campaign JSON body field. So we'll just copy it from here and paste it over here. Now here you can see this JSON body is pretty cluttered. So first, let me just beautify this JSON once. Okay, so as you can see, now I have successfully beautified this complete JSON body. Now here, this JSON body is easily readable. Now the first thing which you can see in this campaign JSON body is the API key. So here we have the API key of our AiSensy account. Now because we have already connected our AiSensy account with Pabbly Connect over here, that's why we don't need to enter the API key over here. We will just clear the API key from here, and here in front of API key in double quotes, we have to write API underscore key in double quotes over here, API underscore key. So in double curly braces, we have written API underscore key. So in this way, we have to basically add this particular tag over here and remove the existing API key which we have received in the JSON body from AiSensy. After API key, here you can see the details related to the campaign. So we have the name of the campaign over here, the same campaign name whose JSON body we have copied. Then here it is asking us for the destination. And in destination, we have to enter the mobile number of the person, of the user to whom we want to send the message. So here from the webhook response, from trigger step responses, you can see we have received the response of the detail. So in trigger response, we have the name and the mobile number over here. So here from trigger responses, we are going to map the same response, same mobile number in destination. We'll just clear this response. And in front of destination in double quotes from the trigger step responses, we are going to map the mobile number over here. Then after mobile number, it is asking us our AiSensy account username, and then we have the template parameter over here. So in this message template, you can see after hello, we have basically created a parameter. We have a variable of 1. And after hello, I want to mention the name of the person over here, that to which particular person or to which user we are sending the WhatsApp message. So here in template parameter, here we have the first parameter, the name of the parameter of the first name. We'll just clear it. And from this drop down, we are going to map the response of name. In this way, if you have created multiple parameters in your template message, you can just enter the details, just put on the value of those parameters in these kind of fields. Now after this, we will just scroll down, and here we have the card section. So in this template, you can see we have created 3 different cards, and each card have a different text, and each card also have a different image over here. Now, whatever image we want to put in these cards, we have to basically enter the URL, the link of this image in this JSON body. So here you can see we have the card index 0. This is our first card, starting the index from 0. And here what we have to do, under this in link, we have to enter the link, the URL of the page, URL of the image, which we want to add in card 1. So here you can see in this template message, the first card which we have is of curtains. So let me just enter the URL, the link of an image of curtains which I want to put in the WhatsApp message. So I have already copied the URL, the link of the image which I want to add in this carousel post. So in the first card, I want to add this particular image. I have just pasted the link in front of link over here in double quotes. I'll just open this link in a new tab, and this is the particular image which I want to add in the first card of curtains. Now after this, we'll just scroll down in this JSON body, and here we have card index 1 over here. So this is our second card. Now in this template, the second card which we have created is for my product, that is spreadsheet. So I'm just taking an example of these products in this video, but basically you can create the carousel post as per your choice, as per the details or as per your requirement. So in second card, I want to add the image of the bed sheets over here. So here in this card under this, you can see in front of link, we have the link of the default image. We'll just clear this link over here in double quotes. We have to enter the link. We have to enter the URL of the image which we want to put in second card. So I have copied the link of the second image as well. And I'll just paste this link over here. Let me just open the same image in new tab. And this is the image of the bed sheets which I want to add. Now after this, we'll scroll down further, then you can see here we have the card index 2. This is our third card. So in this template message, we have created just 3 cards. And in third card, I want to add the image of the mattress. This card is for my mattress, this particular product. So what we are going to do, under this JSON body, for the card index 2, for the third card, we'll just replace the default image URL with the link of the image which we want to put in the third card. So let me just paste the link of the third image over here. So this is the image link. We'll just open this link in the new tab. And this is the image of the mattress which I want to add in this carousel post. So here what you can see, we have successfully copied the JSON from the test campaign section over here. And after copying the JSON, we have pasted the exact same JSON body over here as well. Now, after pasting this JSON body, we have basically changed or mapped the destination mobile number and the parameter values which we have created in our template message. And then all the cards which we have created for each card, we have updated the image URL, the image link as well. Now, after updating the image links, what we have to do, this JSON body is ready to send as a message to the user. Now we will just click on this save and send test request button, and as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here, and the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the JSON body which we have created with the same links added as an image, a carousel message is sent on WhatsApp to the same person whose number we have added over here in destination. And we have basically used the JSON body from AiSensy. So let's check it. We'll just go to the WhatsApp account of that number, and yes, on this WhatsApp account, you can see just now a WhatsApp message is received. Now here in this message, you can see after hello, we have the same name which we have mapped in our JSON body. And after that, we have our rest of our template message. And after this template message, you can see we have basically created 3 carousel cards over here, and all the 3 cards with the same image, same text, and the same buttons is now added. So we have the text from the templates and the images which we have added, or the links of the images which we have added in our JSON body. So here you can see this is the exact same image over here for all the 3 products whose link we have just now added in the JSON body in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So in this way, using AiSensy, you can send carousel messages on WhatsApp, and using Pabbly Connect, you can automate the process of sending these messages as well. So we have the exact 3 images whose link we have added over here. The text in below these messages are the same text which we have added in card while creating the template. And also while creating the template, we have added some button over here. We have the same buttons as well. Now after this, let me tell you one more important thing. You can basically send these kind of carousel messages to the users from your end to start the conversation only twice. After that, the user to whom you're sending the WhatsApp message, they have to basically reply to your carousel messages at least once. This is a very important process over here. So at least once, the user to whom you're sending the WhatsApp message, they have to basically reply to your messages, or you have to acknowledge your messages. And this is a very important thing. Without acknowledgement, you can only send the carousel messages to users on WhatsApp for 2 times. You can basically send the messages consecutively only 2 times. And if you want to send the further messages, then for that, the user have to reply to your messages at least once over here. So while sending the WhatsApp messages, you have to ensure that after sending 2 consecutive carousel messages, the user must have replied to at least any one of your messages. And if the user does not reply, then after that, you cannot basically send the carousel message until and unless the user does not reply back to your WhatsApp message. So this is an important note which you have to keep in your mind while sending the carousel messages using AiSensy and Pabbly Connect to your users. So I hope this video was helpful to you and it helped you understand how you can send the carousel messages on WhatsApp using AiSensy and Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any kind of doubts or queries related to this particular message sending process, you can always write us on your forum or send us an email at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.